Hi, my name is Will, and I am a future Yellowtail Tech student, future Yellowtail Tech success story. And I'm here today to open up the box that I received from Yellowtail and just bring you along with me on this journey. So, let's go. So this unboxing is going to be a little bit different than what you typically see on YouTube, because I really don't have any details to go into about the specs of this product. I have no comment about the packaging, the branding, any of that. I just really wanted to show you that Yellowtail, they stand on what they say. There was a contest that if you made a video just talking about why you wanted to take the leap with Yellowtail, there was a chance you could win a laptop, a MacBook to be specific. And that's what happened. I recorded a video just explaining a bit of my story, my background, which is I'm in the military, I'm about to get out. And I needed to figure out what I was going to do next to take care of myself and my family. Yellowtail, they liked the video, they reached out, and next thing you know, a laptop was on the way. So I just really wanted to say thank you. Thank you, Yellowtail. If you're on the fence about any of this, I say just reach out and have a career strategy session. It's really a free mentorship. So thank you again for watching. I wish all y'all the best. Peace.